Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Hearth vignette effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom. And then in here you just click on the video effect. And at the menu you can click on the love. Click on the love menu, and then in here you can click on the vignette Hearth effect. This is the Hearth vignette effect on CapCut, so you just click on it. And after this you can click check icon in here. And now you can adjust the effect, so you just click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the speed, for the filter, for the horizontal, and then for the vertical, like this. And after this you can click check icon in here. And now you can set the effect until the end of the video. Finish. So that's how to add Hearth vignette effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.